Isikolo samabanga aphansi saseNondo eDlamini sifumene umnikelo wepere ezingama-70 zesihlangu zesikolo ezijolise ekuncedeni abafundi abavela kwintsapho ezisimpulukalujaca. Eliphulo lenziwe ngempumelelo yentsebenziswano yaphakathi kweSoweto Cable Athletic Club kunye nomsasazi okanye nosapho lomsasazi wendaba ongasekhoyo uVuyo Mbule owayelilungu leklabhu.
Kuqhilike ihlathi kubafundi besikole eNondo Primary School ngenkathi bethola uxhaso lwezicathulo emndenini wenye ingqalabutho kwezindaba engasekho uVuyo Mbuli kanye neSoweto Cable Athletic Club. Kanti-ke usihlalo wale club uthi-ke babone kufanele beyofaka isandla ukunciphisa ukukhathazeka kubafundi.
We felt that the need is higher here. There is more need here to make sure that kids as young as these grow up being confident. They can come to school in proper school shoes, and you know it's one less worry for them for coming to school, and that they can focus on their education. And the other bigger reason was to make sure that we keep the names of our members who've passed on alive. You know, to make sure that we don't forget them. And then this initiative is to make sure that their names are associated with deeds like this, with initiatives of this nature.
Indodakazi kaMbuli owafunda kuso lesi sikole ithi-ke umndeni wayo ukuboneke njengecebo elihle ukubuyisela lapho okwaqala khona uyise.
I think the main reason we donated is the phenomenal work that Soweto Cable continues to do to remember my dad's legacy. And moreover, this is the place it all started, right? School is where you learn to read and write, and Nondo Primary is where my dad learned to read and write. And to come back here to donate the shoes is to make sure that the students now can do all those things without the worry or burden of wondering if their shoes are going to be okay. So I think that's massively why we did it.
Kanti-ke uthishanhloko wesikole uthi-ke izandla zedlula ikhanda ngokwenzelwe laba bafundi.
Nabo sebazofana nalaba abanye abantwana abeza be-fully schooled uniform. Bona bangananix. So today they have brought dignity back to them, and ukufika kwabo really siya appreciate as a school. And I think nasema class, in some of them they even hide icathulo lapha ezidabukile. So at least today there'll be a change and there'll be a difference.
Isikole esenxuse nezinye inhlangano ukuthi-ke ingenelele ngoba sesiningi isibalo sabafundi abentulayo kulesi sikole. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngiseDlamini.